Hey guys, I'm just editing this video and I'm so sorry about the audio. I have no clue what happened. It happens every time I start filming again, like press record again. So I have no clue why that's happening. I don't know if it's my phone or whatever, but it's a bit annoying and obviously killing me as I'm a perfectionist. But yeah, I can't do anything about it. So I'm sorry. Hope you enjoy the video. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Mayhew. Thank you so much for watching. So I'm not even going to try and pretend that it's not pathetic that I did 4 weeks, 4 videos and then had to take a break. Like, this consistent Alex is actually not, I don't know where she is, but no, I do. She's back. She is back. I don't know where she went, but she's back. We're just going to move past that because I just had loads going on over these past 2 weeks. A lot of work that I have to update you on, and yeah, it's just not been right for me to sit down and film. But something good has come out of it. Well, I say it's good, you lot might not even think that it's good, but I am going to do a daily video for this next week. I don't even know if I believe myself saying that. I am going to try. I've got this week of work and I'm going to be doing sort of 5 to 15 minute, so some might be really short, like a quick vlog, some might be a bit longer, more sit down. So I'm really excited. I don't know exactly what I'm going to do. I have a few planned out, but yeah, just to make up for this last 2 weeks. And yeah, I'm really excited to share with you just a bit more about like my life and stuff like that, my day to day. So I'm really excited for that. Please, I've just literally got out of the shower. I've not had time to straighten my hair. Do you like my natural hair? Let me know if you like the curls. I need to, looking kind of dry. I need to get a good curl routine in place if I'm gonna have it curly, like and natural. But yeah, without further ado, this will be the first of the weekly videos. So I really hope you enjoy this video. So I wanted to let you know that I am wearing, the top. It's just, you would have seen by the title of this video, I'm actually going to be doing the cut on my chest, not on my face. So that is why I'm wearing this top, and you can't see it in the shot, but I am wearing it. Quickly wanted to talk to you about some new fake tan products that I'm using. This is the Cocoa Brown Ultra Dark Mousse. And you already know I'm a last minute gal, and so if I'm going out, I will leave my fake tan till I'm going out. So I'll decide what I'm wearing, like a dress, and they'll be like, okay, I need to fake tan my legs. And this is perfect because it is an amazing instant. It is a beautiful colour. And I also, for just my chest and face, I am just, this is the only thing I've got on my face. It is the Utan and Jamie Genevieve Skin Idol, and it says it's a face and body bronzer, instant photo ready, skin finished, infused with liquid highlighter and Scottish lavender oil. So it really just sort of smooths your skin as well as giving you that nice bronze look. And yeah, it's really pretty. Like, I love it. I've been using this for a couple of weeks now, and yeah, it's so good for just an instant. Like, I feel like my chest looks quite like smooth, and yeah, I really like it. So I just wanted to shout those out. So like I said, today is the first of the daily videos for 1 week only. I know Halloween has been and gone, but this isn't just Halloween, I don't feel like, anyway. But I want to do a quick disclaimer. I am not a special effects artist. I'm not a professional. I am not a professional makeup artist. I've never claimed that. So I just wanted to do that very quickly because this is the easiest, simplest tutorial you will ever see on special effect cut. So I'm just doing a really simple cut using liquid latex and tissue. So let's get into it. Okay, I have not done this in a very long time, so if this doesn't go to plan, I mean, I don't know, but we're here for it. It's okay, we're trying and erroring. I'm literally using a Primark little sponge, and I'm using this liquid latex that I've got from like a party shop. It's nothing, not really branded or anything, I don't think. So I'm just going to map out the area I want with the first coat of liquid latex. Okay, I really think all that has done is taken my tan off. I really think the only thing that's done is taken my tan off. Yeah. Cool. Okay, we're gonna go with it. We are going to, wow, we're gonna go with it. Yeah. So next we're gonna take our tissue, making sure it is as thin as possible. And you're just going to rip the amount you need to cover the place that you have liquid latex. Okay, you are then going to just repeat this process and then we're just going to finish it off with one more layer of the liquid latex. Please also remember, if it's your first time using liquid latex, do a patch test to make sure that you are not allergic, because I know quite a few people do have problems with this. So once that is dried, you are going to go in with your foundation. So I'm going in with a Huda Beauty Faux Filter foundation in Toasted Coconut, and you are just going to cover the whole thing. If that was the same colour as my tan, that would look so good. Okay, I'm just going to darken that up with some contour shades. Okay, so next I'm going to go in with my scissors. Now, please, please, please be careful with this. Yeah, literally, I'm obviously not really afraid to cut myself on my chest. I don't want to, but you know, so if you're doing this on your face, please be extra, extra careful. But you're going to just cut a slit in the middle of the cut. So try and get under it like that. Once you're under it, it's quite easy to like cut all the way through. See that? Okay, so you just want to open it up slightly on each side like that, so it looks a little bit 3D. Ooh, that looks kind of good. I'm kind of impressed. I was literally thinking, I do not know how this is going to go. Okay, so once you have actually done the cut, that is the hardest part over. It's now just making it really realistic, like bruising and stuff like that. So you can take any sort of like pinky, purpley shade. I am going to take this one in my Morphe Hit the Lights palette. It's sort of like a pinky, purpley sort of shade. You're just going to lightly colour in around the cut to make it look really bruised, really sore, a little bit gross, just all around the cut. Okay, so like I said earlier, this is a really simple and easy tutorial, so it's not going to be anything too crazy. It's not going to look extremely realistic, like it's just not. I'm doing this with one shadow colour. You can really, you know, bruise this even more, make it just look really, really gross, and also use a blush, anything like that. From there, I'm going to take my stage blood. So this is just fake blood that you can get in sort of a party store. And I'm going to actually take the other end of my eyeshadow brush, just dipping it into that blood, and you're just going to take it inside of the wound. This will be on your actual skin. This again doesn't have to be perfect. If it goes on sort of the outside, that's absolutely fine. That kind of adds to it anyway. Okay, I'm feeling a bit lightheaded. I do not like blood, I cannot lie. Obviously in my mirror it doesn't look real, but kind of like how I'm seeing it from the camera, it's looking a little bit too real for my liking. Like I said, you can add more sort of black, a darker red in the actual cut to make it look a bit infected and just horrible, but we're not going to do that. We're going to keep it as simple as possible, and I'm just going to take my fake blood spray. I think this is, I picked this up from Tesco, so I don't know, I think the brand is Amscan, I'm not too sure. I've never used this, so I'm just going to spray it on my hand to see what it comes. Ooh, it's sort of jelly. I thought it was going to be more splatter. Oh, but it drips. We like that. Okay, I'm scared. Oh, I like, this is so good. I like it a lot. It's that really deep red. So it looks great. Okay, really got some on my top. Lovely. Then you literally just want to go back in with a sponge. Be extra as you want with that. And you are literally just going to dab that in all around. So that is literally it, you guys. Like, this is a very messy one. I think I did a bit too much with the blood, but it's okay. It's so easy to do. You can do as much or as little as you want. And yeah, I'm actually quite happy with this. I mean, does it look realistic? No. Are there other options if you are looking for a more realistic cut? There are sort of waxes, and I don't know a lot about that stuff, but literally all you need to do is search it and you can find some really realistic things. But this is just so easy. It literally took me 5-10 minutes. So yeah, you can literally do this anywhere on your body, on your face. Always be careful using scissors and also the liquid latex. In case you are allergic, please patch test that before you use it. But yeah, before this drips anymore on my top, I'm going to sign off now. I'm really looking forward to these next couple of days to give you a video every single day, and I really hope you enjoyed this one. I hope that you learned a little something, and I really hope to see you in my next video. Please everyone stay safe, and I will see you soon.